I've never eaten a more delicious chicken before. Let's start our recipe by combining 200 grams of cream cheese and 500 grams of chicken breast cut in slices. Stir. Now add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of mild paprika, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of oregano. Stir to blend. Take a moment to write in the comments where you're watching us from so that I can thank you for following our recipes. We'd love to know. Now add 1 egg, stir again. You guys, I only cook chicken this way. It's super tasty, the perfect starter for a lunch or a dinner. I'm sure you're gonna love it. Leave the chicken in the fridge for 30 minutes. Now in a bowl, add 2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of mild paprika, 1 teaspoon of oregano, and stir. Now coat the chicken with this flour. Now warm some oil in a pan and start frying the chicken. And if you're still watching the video, you're loving the recipe. Then like the video and comment below, I love chicken. When one side turns golden, turn them over to fry the other. Keep frying the whole chicken. And our recipe is done, ready to be enjoyed. I really hope you liked our recipe. Now I'm gonna read and reply to your comments. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.